Hello TUSD students, and welcome to SchoolCity Assessments. SchoolCity Assessments are questions about your learning that you answer online. During this video, we'll introduce you to common assessment tools and questions. Let's get started. You can see which assessments are available for you to take by flipping the card called Take Assessments. After you flip this card, you'll see names of assessments that you have recently been activated for. Select the name of the assessment you are supposed to complete to begin. If the assessment flip card or the assessment name is not showing on your Launchpad, you can also select the word Assessments along your top menu bar to see the complete list of assessments assigned for you to take. Select the button under the Start column to begin your assessment. Sometimes, you may be asked to enter a PIN, which is a 4-digit number. If you need help with the PIN, ask your teacher. Once the correct PIN is entered, you can start taking your assessment. Some assessments will begin with a page of instructions. If the text-to-speech controls are available, you can use them to read aloud the text. After reading or listening to the instructions, select Proceed to get to the first question. You can use any tools in the toolbox to help you complete an assessment. The tools that are available depend on the assessment. Select the toolbox to see what tools are available, and then check the box to turn the tool on. Some common tools you'll find are a highlighter, which works by selecting the text and then selecting the color, a line reader, which you can drag, resize, and lock, a calculator, and more. Some other tools you can use that are not in the toolbox include text-to-speech, which includes play, forward, back, pause, and stop controls, and settings that let you change the speed, volume, and pronunciation. Tools you can use when you select words on the assessment, like the dictionary, picture dictionary, and translator. Select the color contrast, zooming, and translation tools for the whole assessment. To add notes about a question for you or your teacher, select the speech bubble. When questions are linked to a reading or diagram, the passage will be on the left and the questions will be on the right. There is a scroll bar for the passage and another for questions. Select the right and left arrows to expand and collapse the passage or questions. Many questions have one choice to select your answer. Some may have more than one choice to select your answer. When you answer the questions on the screen, use the gray numbers or blue N button to go to the next question. You can also look for a question by selecting the Looking Glass drop-down menu. Other questions will require you to select words or sentences, or to select from a drop-down list. Sometimes you must type, draw, or upload your response, and your teacher must score your answer. Certain questions will require you to select, drag, and drop pictures, numbers, or words. When you finish the assessment, you can review your answers before you select Submit to complete. These are many of the tools and types of questions you'll experience when completing SchoolCity assessments. If you need any more assistance, please check with your teacher. Thank you.